like another smart device. Let's see how smart it is. Big screen, slick design. Feels nice on the wrist. And before I can say wow, it measures my heart rate and monitors my body temperature. I get to know these readings all day long. Here's something interesting. This device actually shows my blood oxygen levels, even records my blood pressure, and lets me keep my doctor in the loop. It not only shares my passion for fitness, but also keeps me motivated by connecting me to my health coach. It controls my music, can handle a splash or two. When I rest after a long day, it lets me know whether I slept well. It does all of this without a stop for days at end. And its accuracy? Well, it's ISO certified. Yes, it's not just a smart device. It's like my doctor at hand. It keeps me aware and safe. Just what I need during these times. To keep a watch, 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏 Smart Vital.
Presenting 𝗕𝗂𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗍 Ring Bluetooth Calling Smartwatch. It comes in 5 color variants of beige, black, blue, grey and red. The watch has HD full touch screen. It has a 1.7-inch screen. The smartwatch has sleek and fashionable metal body. The watch can work for 24 hours with Bluetooth calling and 8 days without Bluetooth calling. It comes with real-time SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring and heart rate monitoring. It also has sleep and fitness tracking. The one-click control mode and honeycomb menu helps you quickly navigate. The smartwatch has multiple watch faces. It has smart controls like weather forecast, alarm, remote control camera. Inside the box, you will find one smartwatch, one charging cable and one manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay